right, so one of our most common maintenance practices in the garden is going to be some preventative fungicides. And you have a lot of options. There are biological options, there are also conventional fungicides. You just want to make sure that you know what disease you're addressing and that you're following the labels on the bottle. This is actually chlorthalonil, is the active ingredient, so it's a conventional fungicide that's been on the market for quite some time, wide range of crops that it's appropriate for. Early blight is one of them. And so we have it mixed up according to the label instructions, and we're going to be applying, I would prefer in the morning or in the late part of the day when we're not in the heat of the day. And the most important thing when we think about fungicides for the home garden is good coverage. We want to spray the undersides and the top sides, get good coverage from our protective or our control materials. And so chlorthalonil, a lot of the biologicals, really most of the fungicides that we would use in our garden are going to be protective, which means that we're not going to be wiping out existing infections. What we really want to be doing is getting coverage over our leaves so that we prevent that fungal inoculum from infecting more. And so what I want to do is get good coverage over the plant, get as much of those interior leaves as possible. Most of the time what the directions will tell us is spray to the point of runoff, right? So we don't want the material completely dripping off the plant, but we want to get good coverage on those leaves. Depending upon how often we get rain, lots of times we'll apply 7 to 10 days. So keeping up that preventative fungicide is one of the best practices for maintaining disease-free plants through the season.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.